Hello, my dear student. This is Padma ma'am. As we are discussing the page-wise revision for term 2, carbon and its compound, this is a continuation, page number 62. What is there in the page number 62? See, unique nature of carbon. See, we know that carbon, in periodic table, we have 118 element. Compared to that, the carbon itself can form more than 118 compound because of these property. So the first property what the carbon has is the tendency to form carbon carbon bond, that is nothing but catenation. We can also say simply it is a self linking property. So, carbon has a unique property to form a bond with other carbon, and the property of forming a bond with other atom is known same. The property of forming a bond with the atoms of the same element is called as what? Catenation. So this property of carbon making it to form large number of compound, very important concept, often asked question. So self-linking property means you should know that it is a catenation, carbon-carbon linkage, tendency to form a carbon-carbon linkage, and the carbon has a maximum tendency for catenation in a periodic table compared to even in the same group, the same carbon and the same group element doesn't have that much property compared to carbon because of its small size. The carbon can form many compounds because of its small size. Very important words, very important concept these all. Okay, when the carbon can form a straight line, it can form a branch like this. See why I have drawn 4 dots here. See this 4 bond, it's nothing but it representing the valency of the carbon. One it is forming with the carbon, another 3 it can form with any other compound. Next, state, branch, closed chain. So these are all the types how the carbon can link. Next one, see the very important note, as I said, the carbon has a strong tendency to form a catenation. See, silicon, that is the next two carbon in the carbon family, which belongs to the same group of carbon which are weaker due to its larger size. They can form a catenation but not that much strong like carbon. Next, tetravalency of carbon. If you take tetravalency, we are discussing this from the beginning of the chapter. Carbon belongs to 14th group and its period is 2. See, if you take the carbon, atomic number is 6, mass number is 12, so electronic configuration is 2, 4. It has 4 electron in its outermost shell. This is the outermost shell. So it has 4 electron in its outermost. These are called as core electron. The 4 electron in its outermost shell. Therefore, the valency of carbon is 4. So the carbon can combine with oxygen to form CO2, hydrogen to form methane. It can combine with sulfur, carbon disulfide. It can combine with chlorine to form carbon tetrachloride. So it can form with many compounds. Not only with these, it can combine with other elements in the periodic table. So what is the reason that forming a tetravalency is one reason is forming a strong bond by the carbon is its small size. Because of its small size, the nucleus of the carbon can hold the shared pair of electron very firmly, very strongly. The next property is tendency to form a multiple bond. For this also the same reason, due to the small size, the carbon can easily form double bond, triple bond by sharing more than one pair. If it shares a one pair, which shares one pair, it is a single bond. If it shares a two pair, it is double bond. If it shares a three pairs, it is called as triple bond. See, next topic we will be studying in depth what is a saturated, what is an unsaturated compound. So because of its small size, it can form a single bond, it can form a double bond, it can form a triple bond. So we'll see in the book also what is given. The same thing, the unique nature of carbon. So unique nature of carbon, if you go through, see, I told you it's very important to go a page wise revision. See, carbon has a unique ability to form a bond with carbon to form a large compound. It is called as catenation. And in addition, carbon linked to single bond, double bonds and triple bonds. Next, unsaturated, saturated, unsaturated. See, saturated compound means the compound forming a single bond is called as saturated, that is single pair of electron. Double bond is, it is forming a double and triple bond is called as what? It's called as unsaturated. So no element exhibit the property of catenation. The silicon forms a compound with up to 7 to 8 elements. So the silicon, important thing, the silicon can form till 7 to 8 element, but not like carbon. So but not like carbon has very stable compound, and it can form a large number compared to silicon. And since the valency of carbon has a valency of 4, and it's as we said, the next one is, it is tetravalent compound. It's a tetravalent compound. First one is catenation, second one is tetravalent compound, and the third one, it can form a multiple bond. So if you write stepwise, point wise, it will be very useful for you, for the examiner to correct your paper. So write stepwise, I have written, and you can write with the example. Thank you, children. Kindly subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you.